just in time for the new year. Brand new package has arrived. Let's open it up, see if I got everything I ordered. You see the title, you already know what's inside. So I just need to make sure I got everything I wanted. Let's open it and find out. Yep. Ooh, OD green. One. And the other. Nice. Well, yeah, this is the Glock 81 field knife with the saw back. Let's open the green one. I think it's OD green, or maybe it's something else. Let's see what's Glock heritage or culture is driven by the purest of precision, perfection, pursuit of perfection. Yeah, I can see. And the whole Glock story right here. If you want to read it out, you can pause. This is awesome. Just thinking the price. Do you know of any other Glock accessory that goes for $24.99? If you do, leave me a note in the comments. I want to know, because for me this is like unbelievable that they sell these military knives for this price. Very nice. Well, lots of videos on YouTube. I just had to get mine. So I saw the price and it was free shipping. I figured out I'd get two. One for a good friend of mine. Look at this black coating. It's very lightly oiled, which is very nice. This is high-grade spring steel. I don't know the number exactly. Some say 1095, others say some other kind of steel. But I really like it. Here's the writing here. Let's see if the camera picks up on that. Yep. Very nice. Lightweight. Nice snap. And here, there's a cap you're supposed to be able to open and put some survival stuff in there. Maybe a fishing line with a hook. Maybe something. Oh, I really like the snap. Yeah. Best comparison I have for you is the Ontario SP1 with the sharpened swedge. This is the actual knife GIs are getting in the US. I know the K-bar has a lot of fame and glory, but this is the actual knife that US military uses now. I have a whole video about this. I'll put it down in the description. This is a really great knife. Used to be 5160. I think they moved to 1095. SP1 Combat. And Glock is much lighter. And stock is about the same. Look at this. Maybe the Ontario is a bit wider, or yeah, heavier stock. This is a much lighter knife. Yeah, it comes, whoa, it comes pretty sharp. Some folks say theirs didn't. Let's check one thing. All right, piece of paper. Oh yeah, really nice. Yeah, almost razor sharp. I love it. Let's look at the Ontario. Not as sharp, but it's pretty sharp for a knife of this nature. Yeah, very nice. So I guess a lot of people complained that it doesn't come sharp out of the box, and they fixed it. Very nice Glock. I love it. $24.99. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Very good first impressions. Another comparative knife for the price, totally different, but for the price around 30 bucks. It's the SCHF 51 from Charade. It's more a survival knife, not a military knife, but it's been used quite a bit, and I like the 1/4 inch stock on it. And unlike the 52, which kind of has a tendency to break the tip, this one's really stout, and it's shorter, but overall length, it's almost the same. All right. Just first impressions of this Glock 81 sawback. I like what I'm seeing, 25 bucks. Show me a better deal. This is it for now. Thanks, guys. Bye till next time.